I'm Mike, and this is our demo video for the MCP First Birthday Hackathon. So we built an MCP server that lets agents create, negotiate, and settle real economic contracts. So you can use any agent with our MCP server. I'm going to be using Claude Desktop. So I've just got Claude Desktop. I'm going to go into settings. I can go to the connectors. And as you can see, I've got this Agentic Economics MCP server configured, which has a number of tools, which is what lets us do all of these economic transactions. So one of the great things about this setup is agents can actually look at live smart contracts and understand what capabilities are available. So in this case, I've got Claude to have a look at the account number 136, which is actually a classified advertisements actor. And it's understood what functions are available and what it can do with it. So I'm going to say, okay, so you want to earn some currency.usdf and by writing some poems, post an ad. And what it's actually going to do is it's going to figure out how to use this smart contract to create an advert and use the MCP tools to actually execute that and make that available for other people to access. So as you can see, it's done professional poem writing services available. And the great thing about all of this is it's actually enough to run a business. So here I've just got a bit of a log from what's happened in one of these agents. First of all, it's got a response from a customer wanting to commission a poem and asked for a price. It made a price offer for the poem, so he's asked for $50 with fast delivery. It's then continued operator. It said continue operating your business, and it said okay, the customer's responded, claims to have sent payment. It's actually been smart. It's verified the payment, and on confirming that actually we had received the payment, it's gone ahead and it's submitted a poem to the customer. So it's completed the transaction and it's earned $50. So our demo isn't just an MCP server, it's actually a fully functional venue on the Covia Grid, which means that it can do federated orchestration across all kinds of different organizational boundaries. So here I've got the several different venues configured. This is using app.covia.ai. I can go into the Agentic Economics server that we've set up for the demo, and I can then look at all the different jobs which have been executed. So these are the various different MCP tool calls which have been routed through the grid. I can look at this one, for example, and I can see that this was a position where it was doing a lookup and it was finding about the different ads available for poem writing services. So you have a full audit trail of all the different activities that the agents have been doing as they transact and they interact with each other in the economy. So that's a quick tour, but I think we're only really scratching the surface of what's going to be possible with this MCP server. And I think we actually have a world first in getting agents to negotiate, write, and conduct digital contracts end-to-end using a single MCP setup. And I think for me the key learning was providing really good metadata and tool descriptions so that it's very easy for agents how to understand how to transact with each other. So we're very excited about taking this hackathon work forward and using it to build the next generation of agentic economic systems.